Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. The Subaru Ascent is a great family SUV, and with a few helpful accessories, it can be even better. Today we are sharing 25 must-have accessories that help keep your SUV clean, organized, and ready for any trip. These are practical upgrades you will appreciate every single day. And the best part? All of them are available on Amazon. So if you like something, just check the links in the description. Let's get started and see which accessories are perfect for your Subaru Ascent. First on the list, center console organizer for Subaru Ascent. Keep your cabin neat with this center console organizer designed for the Subaru Ascent. It separates your storage space into clear sections, so everyday items like keys, cables, wallets, and sunglasses stay easy to reach instead of sinking to the bottom. The molded fit keeps it stable while driving, and the removable trays make cleaning simple. It gives the console a more structured feel and helps you stay organized without taking away any usable space. A practical upgrade that turns the Ascent interior into a more efficient setup for daily use. Next on the list is floor mats for Subaru Ascent. Protect your interior with these floor mats built specifically for the Subaru Ascent. They contour around the footwells to block dirt, spills, and mud from reaching the carpet. The raised edges help trap messes, while the flexible material stays in place without curling. Perfect for families, outdoor trips, and everyday commuting, these mats make cleanup quicker and keep the floor looking newer for longer. They offer dependable coverage and a clean look that fits right into the Ascent cabin. Next accessory, we have trunk mat for Subaru Ascent. Give your cargo area long-lasting protection with this trunk mat crafted for the Subaru Ascent. It covers the entire load floor, catching debris, spills, and pet hair before they can stain the carpet. The textured surface helps keep luggage and groceries from sliding around, and the waterproof design makes it easy to rinse clean after road trips or outdoor activities. It fits smoothly into place and adds a layer of confidence whenever you load up the back of your Ascent. Coming in next, we have rain guards for Subaru Ascent. Upgrade your driving comfort with rain guards designed for the Subaru Ascent. They let you crack the windows during rain, heat, or humidity without water getting inside. The streamlined shape reduces wind noise and adds a cleaner look along the window frames. Installation uses adhesive backing that bonds securely to the trim. Whether you like extra airflow or simply want better weather protection, these rain guards make daily driving more enjoyable and practical. Next on the list is cup holder insert door liners for Subaru Ascent. Keep small storage spaces cleaner with these cup holder insert door liners made for the Subaru Ascent. They sit inside cup holders and door pockets to catch crumbs, dust, and spills before they can stick to the interior. The soft material dampens, rattles, and can be lifted out in seconds for quick washing. They help maintain a neater cabin and add a subtle touch of protection to high-use areas. A simple accessory that makes long-term upkeep much easier. Next add-on in our list is roof racks crossbar for Subaru Ascent. This roof rack's crossbar setup for the Subaru Ascent gives you the extra carrying space you need for bigger adventures. It mounts securely to the factory rails and creates a strong base for cargo boxes, bikes, kayaks, or camping gear. The aerodynamic shape helps reduce noise while driving, and the durable finish holds up against weather and long trips. It is a great upgrade for families and travelers who always run out of room inside the cabin. Simple installation and dependable support make these crossbars a practical addition for both daily use and weekend journeys. Next item in our list is key fob cover for Subaru Ascent. Keep your key protected with this key fob cover designed for the Subaru Ascent. It slips over the remote to guard it from scratches, drops, and daily wear. The soft yet sturdy material gives you better grip while keeping the buttons easy to press. It also helps prevent accidental pocket presses that unlock or set off alerts. With a precise fit and clean look, it adds a bit of style while helping you maintain your key in great condition. A simple accessory that goes a long way in preserving something you use every day. Coming in next, we have center console armrest cover for Subaru Ascent. This center console armrest cover for the Subaru Ascent adds comfort and protection to a high-touch area. It wraps over the factory armrest to shield it from spills, wear marks, and sun exposure. The soft padded surface makes long drives more comfortable for both driver and passenger, while the secure fit keeps it from shifting out of place. It blends into the interior without looking bulky or out of place. A practical upgrade that helps keep your cabin looking fresh and feeling better over time. The next must-have in our list is screen protector for Subaru Ascent. The screen protector for the Subaru Ascent helps keep your infotainment display clear and scratch-free. It applies smoothly without bubbles and creates a protective layer that blocks fingerprints, dust, and smudges. Touch response stays fast and accurate, and the display remains bright and easy to read. This layer also reduces the chance of damage from keys, nails, or accidental bumps. It is a simple way to keep one of the most used surfaces in your vehicle looking clean and new. Easy to install and easy to replace whenever needed. Next add-on in our list is White Interior LED Lights Kit for Subaru Ascent. Brighten up your cabin with this white interior LED lights kit made for the Subaru Ascent. These lights replace your factory bulbs with a cleaner and more modern glow that improves visibility at night. They turn the interior into a well-lit space that makes it easier to find items, read, or load the car when it is dark. The low power draw and long lifespan make them a reliable upgrade you only install once. With quick plug-in fitment, this lighting kit delivers a fresh, crisp look that enhances both style and practicality inside your Ascent. Next, we have Class 3 trailer hitch for Subaru Ascent. This Class 3 trailer hitch gives your Subaru Ascent the strength to tow with confidence. It mounts securely to the frame and provides a solid connection for small trailers, bike racks, or cargo carriers. The fitment sits neatly under the rear bumper, so it blends into the vehicle without getting in the way. Installation is straightforward with the right tools, and once it is on, you gain a new level of utility for road trips and outdoor activities. It adds dependable capability that expands what your Ascent can accomplish. Next accessory in our list is leather seat covers for Subaru Ascent. Give your Subaru Ascent a premium touch with these leather seat covers designed for a smooth and fitted look. They protect your original seats from wear while adding a cleaner and more refined appearance. The stitching layout follows the factory lines, helping everything look natural once installed. They also provide a comfortable seating feel that holds up well through daily use. Easy to wipe clean and resistant to spills, these covers make your cabin look refreshed and well-maintained. A great way to elevate interior style while keeping your seats in good condition. Coming in next, we have Fuse Box Storage Tray for Subaru Ascent. This Fuse Box Storage Tray adds a clever little compartment inside your Subaru Ascent, giving you a spot for small tools, coins, or important roadside items. It drops into place without any modifications and uses space that often goes unused. The raised edges help keep everything in place even on bumpy roads. It is the kind of accessory you do not realize you need until you have it, providing tidy organization for those easy-to-lose items. Simple, helpful, and fully hidden until you lift the cover. Next item in our list is Elastic Trunk Storage Net for Subaru Ascent. Keep groceries, sports gear, and loose items from rolling around with this elastic trunk storage net for the Subaru Ascent. It stretches across the rear cargo space and holds everything tightly so your load stays put during turns and stops. The hooks attach quickly to factory mounting points, and the flexible design adapts to different shapes and sizes. It helps maintain a cleaner cargo area and prevents clutter from shifting while you drive. A lightweight accessory that adds real day-to-day convenience. Next add-on in our list is steering wheel trim for Subaru Ascent. Elevate the interior look of your Subaru Ascent with this steering wheel trim cover. It clips around the existing wheel structure and brings a touch of contrast and style without feeling bulky. The smooth edges follow the natural curve of the wheel, making it look factory installed once in place. It is resistant to scratches and fingerprints, helping the wheel maintain a crisp appearance over time. A quick upgrade that adds personality to your cabin while keeping the original surfaces protected. Next item we have rear bumper protector for Subaru Ascent. This rear bumper protector for the Subaru Ascent is all about preventing scratches and scrapes when loading cargo. It creates a padded barrier across the bumper, so heavy bags, strollers, or sports gear do not make direct contact with the paint. The textured surface adds grip and stays secure even during daily use. It installs using strong adhesive backing and fits cleanly without looking bulky. It is a simple upgrade that keeps the rear of your Ascent looking fresh and protected, especially if you haul items often or have an active family lifestyle. Next accessory in our list is Audio AC Knob Cover Trim for Subaru Ascent. These Audio AC Knob Cover Trims for the Subaru Ascent add a bit of shine and protection to your center control area. They slide directly over the existing knobs and give them a more premium feel without altering how they function. The material is resistant to scratches and fading, helping the interior maintain its clean look. Installation takes only a few seconds with no tools required. Whether you want a touch of style or just added durability, these trims offer a subtle upgrade that makes your dashboard area feel more refined. The next must-have on our list, steering wheel paddle shift extension for Subaru Ascent. These steering wheel paddle shift extensions for the Subaru Ascent give you a larger and more comfortable surface to work with while shifting. They attach to the existing paddles and create a longer reach, making manual mode driving feel smoother and more controlled. The lightweight design blends cleanly with the steering wheel and stays solid during use. They are ideal for drivers who enjoy a sportier experience or want improved accessibility. Quick to install and shaped specifically for the Ascent, they add both function and fun to your drive. Coming in next, we have Car Backseat Organizer for Subaru Ascent. This car backseat organizer for the Subaru Ascent helps keep the second row clutter-free by adding storage pockets for snacks, books, electronics, and travel gear. It straps securely to the seat back and stays in place even when the vehicle is moving. The multiple compartments make it easier to keep items sorted so they are not rolling around on the floor. It is great for kids, road trips, or anyone who likes a tidy cabin. The material is durable and easy to clean, making it a convenient everyday accessory. Next add-on in our list is Multi-Purpose Car Table for Subaru Ascent. This multi-purpose car table for the Subaru Ascent turns the rear seat into a handy mini workspace or snack area. It folds down to create a stable surface for laptops, meals, or entertainment devices. The adjustable design lets you set the height and angle so passengers stay comfortable during long drives. When not in use, it folds flat without taking up room. It is especially useful for travel, remote work setups, or keeping kids engaged on the go. A practical accessory that adds flexibility to your interior. Next on the list is Windshield Sunshade for Subaru Ascent. Keep your interior cooler and protected with this windshield sunshade designed for the Subaru Ascent. It fits across the glass to block harsh sunlight and reduce heat buildup, which helps preserve your dashboard and keeps your cabin more comfortable when you return to the vehicle. The reflective surface works to shield against UV exposure, while the foldable design makes it simple to store in the side pocket or console. It is quick to place, easy to remove, and perfect for everyday parking in hot or sunny areas. A small addition that makes a noticeable difference in comfort and interior care. Next item, we have Seat Gap Filler for Subaru Ascent. Stop items from slipping into hard-to-reach spaces with this seat gap filler built for the Subaru Ascent. It fits neatly between the seats and the center console to keep phones, cards, and small accessories from falling out of sight. The soft material blends with the interior while preventing rattling or shifting during drives. It is a practical upgrade that helps maintain a cleaner, more organized cabin. Installation is as simple as sliding it into place, and it stays secure even on rough roads. A convenient fix that adds everyday usability for drivers and passengers. Coming in next, we have Trunk Organizer for Subaru Ascent. Manage your cargo area more effectively with this trunk organizer for the Subaru Ascent. It provides divided sections to keep groceries, tools, cleaning supplies, and travel items neatly arranged. The sturdy sides help it hold its shape, while the non-slip base keeps it from sliding when the vehicle moves. It folds flat when not needed, giving you flexibility for larger cargo. Whether you take long trips or handle frequent errands, it helps keep the rear space tidy and stress-free. A dependable organizer that transforms how you use your cargo area. Next item in the lineup is door logo lights for Subaru Ascent. Add a stylish touch to your Subaru Ascent with these door logo lights. They project a crisp illuminated emblem on the ground when the doors open, giving your vehicle a premium feel at night. Beyond style, they also help you see where you are stepping when entering or exiting in dark areas. Installation is made simple, using the existing door light position, with no wiring changes required. The bright output enhances visibility and adds personality every time the doors open, a small detail that makes the vehicle feel more special. Last on the list is front and rear dash cam for Subaru Ascent. Protect your drives with this front and rear dash cam system designed for the Subaru Ascent. It captures clear footage from both ends of the vehicle, offering valuable coverage in traffic, parking lots, and long trips. With loop recording and wide-angle lenses, it ensures key moments are documented without interruption. Many models also include parking mode for around-the-clock monitoring. Installation is straightforward, with adhesive mounts and hidden wiring to keep your cabin clean. A smart investment that boosts safety, awareness, and peace of mind every time you drive. These were 25 amazing accessories you can add to your Subaru Ascent. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.